Nope, we haven't been here yet. We are just pulling up. Adventures with Hayes. We at Sleeper Park, y'all. Yes, sir.
We at Sleeper State Park.
Sleeper State Park, to be exact. All right, y'all. Let's.
They got food here.
Yeah, we'll show y'all what's going on in a second. Y'all stay tuned.
Get my clothes all wet.
Good. You got changes of clothes. You'll be all right.
You checked my bag already?
Yeah, I already know. We packed the bag. Alright, so we're currently in Lake Huron. So when you walk from the beach on into the water, this first section is a lot of rocks. But if you just tough it out. But this section up here doesn't have rocks. As you can. No beach on guard, y'all. They got the dangerous currents right here, you know, so y'all know what's going on if y'all get out there. Submerged rocks underwater, which I told y'all about. And they got a life jacket loaner station for y'all. Hey. Food truck here. They got a fish cleaner station. How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good, just getting my YouTube footage. I'll be back to see y'all. All right now. Which way you want to go? All right. Lots of campsites, y'all.
You can camp everywhere.
Lots of campsites.
Like over here, over here, over here.
Yep.
Everywhere.
Got nice amenities. Nice. You got to use the bathroom. You got a playground, horseshoes. Hey, we gonna hit this trail tomorrow, boy. We gonna hit this trail tomorrow, boy. Hey, this a good trail, boy.
Do they do jump?
I don't know, maybe. No, I don't think so. They got a bike trail around here though we could probably go to. Old school camper, huh? That's an old school camper. What up, bro? Hey, I'll take it easy. All right, now.
I'm driving this car.
Boy, you about to be dirty, dirty.
Dad, you like this trail?
Yeah, look at them big old tree stumps.
Oh,
Dang.
I want to take a picture on that.
Candlestick Trail. Them some big old tree stumps, huh? Let's take a picture of them.
Huh?
Look at these tree stumps, y'all.
Rowdy.
God dang. Oh, okay then. Alright, my boy. These tree stumps humongous.
I'm gonna take a picture on this one. Here. I'm gonna take a picture on both of them. I guess we'll be fine.
You got a muddy back. Nice little cabin. The only cabin. You can't beat me. Alright, you ready to light this fire?
Yup. Put that piece in. Put it in.
I gotta light it.
Oh no. I'm not scared. I'm gonna just hold it like this. And then we gotta throw it in, right? Okay.
Boy,
I'm gonna try.
hell no. You already threw it in there on some scary shit.
Because it burned my hand. Oh, so that's how you light it. I'm gonna throw that in.
Zippo Tender Shreds burns up to 8 minutes, water resistant, ignites with sparks or flame. Yes, sir. Water resistant, easy to carry, light quickly, burn strong, and are essential for hassle-free fires. Yeah, man. Not bad.
Dang. I heard. The fire's going down.
Some pretty good wood in there.
Oh, oh, it's light on fire a little bit.
In the rain, going to get my boy. He wants some s'mores. Y'all know what it is, man.
I never made s'mores before, so I want them anyway.
Oh, all right. S'moresy boy. Yeah, I see all the camp. Up to Frank's Party Store. We got graham crackers. We got marshmallows. We got Hershey's. We good, huh?
Yeah.
You ready to rock and roll?
Rock and roll.
Nice little magnet. Little souvenir. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey!
Now how are you doing that?
Told y'all that's some good wood right there. Look at that.
It stayed on forever.
Found us some good old sticks for some s'mores. That'll work.
You poke it in the middle. Oh. I can put two on? Oh.
Yeah,
If we want to put one, we can put one.
you can put one or two.
Okay. Okay. Let me put. Alright.
You get your cracker. You wipe it off on there. And you put your good old Hershey's on there. And you got your good old
So you have to do this?
s'mores, my boy. Oh. Reptiles of the thumb. Let's see, we got eastern smooth green snakes, northern ribbon snakes, northern brown snakes, blue racers, northern water snakes, eastern Mississauga rattlesnake, eastern fox snake, eastern hognose snake,
The water snake?
eastern milk snake.
What's the water snake that goes in the water?
Yeah.
Bah, 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 bah.
And of course we got all the turtles, you know. You gotta get some speed. Get up there, go, go, go. Oh, you slowed me down, boy.
I'm scared.
Boy, go,
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
go. Not bad. Riding the trail at 8 p.m. on a Friday.
Friday today?
Yep.
And we're going on the beach. Oh, there's a book.
Oh yeah. Hey.
Look on there.
What does it say?
King of the forest.
Michigan's white pine. Hey. Yeah.
There's like mosquitoes looking at the head. I'm gonna take a kick.
Yes, sir. Adventures with Hayes, man. We got a fire rolling with that cast iron fully loaded, full of bacon. El Bacon. Ho, 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 ho. You gotta know when to take it out that flame, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to overcook the bacon. You want to let the grease do its thing in that cast iron. You feel me? Alright, y'all, we got that bacon nice and cooked up real good. Let's add some eggs to the equation. You know,
Yeah.
straight out of hot skillet. You know, they
And
hot still. They real hot.
they hot still, but they still good.
You know, hot hands, baby. All right.
Pretty good.
That bacon real good.
And you know, every day you eat them, it tastes tasty. So make sure y'all gotta be eating them every day, cause they make you healthy.
Yeah, good bacon.
Yup.
Like I always say, it might look ugly, but that's because we at camp, you know. It ain't about how it look. It's about, do it taste good when it's done? And can you get it done? You feel me? Ran out of propane. Had to use the fire flame. I don't make no excuses, man. I just get it done. Good eggs. You see it. Yes, sir. Might look a little ugly, but
That's all right.
trust and believe it's done well. You know what I'm saying? No matter what it look like when you're out camping. Can you get the job done? Can you feed your people? When the propane go out, can you still feed your people? I can. I got that Gerber tri-tip mini cleaver. Little all-purpose everyday carry knife, you know what I'm saying? I use this thing to cut, scoop, jab.
You do for everything.
All that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go, my boy. You need a fork. I can make that happen. There you go. Hey. I just want to say, this Gerber tri-tip mini cleaver, my everyday carry, amazing. Good for everything. Scooping. Look at that. Look at that big old scoop right there.
I just like the little knife. I wish I should have a little knife.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to have Gerber send you in a little mini cleaver. All right, y'all, just getting to the Huron County Nature Center. Oh, that's a lot of species of animals and things.
And I had a caterpillar at my school before.
Yeah, these are all the butterflies in Michigan. We got the spice bush, swallowtail, orange barge, sulfur. What's this? Oh, them the flowers. The monarch, painted lady, checkered skipper, giant swallowtail, morning cloak, and a white admiral. What's this? A variegated fritillary.
What I know it comes from. All over me.
So as most of you guys know that follow my channel, some of you guys are new here. I tore my Achilles back in March, so we came to this trail thinking that we would be able to bike, but looks like, I don't know, maybe they just put a sign in that said no biking, and I can't walk that mileage with my bum ankle, so we're gonna find somewhere to roll out on the bikes and get some scenery. But just wanted to make sure we highlighted the Huron County Nature Center.
So this is a badger.
Oh no, it's a coyote.
Yeah.
Well, this particular
What do you think that is?
Cat.
What kind
You're
of cat?
right. It is a cat.
What kind?
You're right. It's a bobcat.
Yeah.
Good for you.
You know something. Kid knows some things. All right, all right. I didn't even know that.
Skeleton.
What we got here?
It looks like a massive tree.
Oh, look at this turtle.
That's not the only fish. Oh my. There's a turtle in there.
Yeah.
This has similar bodies, but they're different animals.
Colin the turtle. A Blandings turtle.
I see something. Sorry.
What do you see? That's pretty cool. Adventure packs. See what they got in them. What do they have in these, huh? Oh, okay. Map, probably some binoculars, some pamphlets on all the different bugs. That's pretty cool. What, skunks? They got a red fox, a raccoon, a mink, a woodchuck. That's probably an otter.
What's this do?
Click on it.
Oh. Read your story.
It says it there. That's the real. That's the footage that they got from here, from in the back where we were hiking. Wilderness bike and hike trail. Hey, let's roll. Nice little rain. A little bit of rain. All the bridges. Hey. Ew. Which way? All right, let's go. That's that good rain, baby. Yeah. Good little midday shower, man. All right, y'all. We at Caseville at Portfest. So a lot of these establishments will have people playing on the porches, as you can hear. Let's go check it out. Find some food too. All right, where do you think they got some food at?
That place over there.
You want to get some pizza?
Yeah.
All right, let's go in there then.